6th class. Subject-verb agreement. Exercise 2. 15 questions. Answers with correct reasons.
Image you uploaded. Exercise 2. In each of the following sentences, fill up the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. 1. 50 meters is a good distance. 2. None of you have done his work seriously. 3. A good man and an efficient citizen has become the leader. 4. Game after game were played. 5. 2 and 2 make 4. 6. Either he or you was absent yesterday. 7. None of you is likely to fail. 8. Copper as well as aluminium is found in India. 9. Neither of them right. 10. Which of these two umbrellas yours? 11. No news, good news. 12. The leader with his followers were present. 13. He as well as you are intelligent. 14. Much of the money has been wasted. 15. The mother with her 2 children has left the house. Here are the correct answers for exercise 2, along with the explanations for each. Exercise 2 answers. 1. 50 meters is a good distance. 50 meters is a singular measurement treated as 1 unit, so we use is. 2. None of you has done his work seriously. Explanation: none can be singular or plural, but in this context it means not one, which is singular, so we use has. 3. A good man and an efficient citizen has become the leader. Explanation: here, although there are 2 subjects connected by and, they refer to the same individual. Hence, we treat it as singular and we use has. 4. Game after game was played. Explanation: game after game is a singular subject emphasizing a series of games, so we use was. 5. 2 and 2 makes 4. Explanation: in mathematical expressions, we treat them as singular, so we use makes. 6. Either he or you were absent yesterday. Explanation: in either or constructions, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. Here you, which is plural, takes the plural verb, so we use were. 7. None of you is likely to fail. Explanation: similar to question 2, none is treated as singular in this context, so we use is. 8. Copper as well as aluminium is found in India. Explanation: when using as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject, which is copper, singular, so we use is. 9. Neither of them is right. Neither is always treated as singular, hence we use is. 10. Which of these 2 umbrellas is yours? Explanation: which refers to a single umbrella from the 2, so we use is. 11. No news is good news. News is an uncountable noun treated as singular, so we use is. 12. The leader with his followers was present. Explanation: the subject is the leader, which is singular. The phrase with his followers is additional information and does not affect the verb, so we use was. 13. He as well as you is intelligent. The verb agrees with the first subject, he, which is singular. As well as does not affect the singular subject, so we use is. 14. Much of the money has been wasted. Explanation: money is uncountable and treated as singular, so we use has. 15. The mother with her 2 children has left the house. Explanation: the subject, the mother, is singular, and the phrase with her 2 children is additional information, so we use has. If you have any further questions or need additional clarification,